myself, hitting this game hard like nobody else. Coming up fast, you better call for help, cause I'ma get so much gold. Call me Michael Phelps, yeah, you know now I be dangerous, cause now I'm getting serious. No bitch, I'm not delirious. Wait, are you fucking hearing this? 15 goes so hard, it's just impossible to believe. Got tricks up my sleeve, can't handle, then you better leave. You haven't heard the last of me, I'ma be the next big star like on MTV. Get on there once and it turns into once a week. It's because when I spit I leave you weak in the knees. Then you hear me on your radio, beat begins and then you know Greaseball's there and he just goes so hard. Hear his flow, his shit is real, never fell. You probably already knew that though. There's just one thing you need to know.
All I wanna do is to make music and to leave my mark behind. Everyone told me you can't do it, I had to leave them all behind. I was so foolish, I dealt with the naysayers, puppets, I was fooling myself. As long as I stay true to myself, I don't need your help, no, I can do it myself.
This song was not made for depression, but I've just got so much aggression. I'll rip your head off, not even question. So bitch, please just keep on stepping. It's time you got taught a lesson. You think I'm saying, then keep on guessing. Anyway, happy time, I think I'll spit some happy rhymes while I sin and commit crimes and light up another dime. I'm sorry mom, just one more time, didn't mean to make you cry. Wipe them tears from your eyes, I'll be fine, just one more try. I'm just sick of all the lies, but now I'ma take what's mine. Do it myself, don't ask me why. I don't help, cause when I shine, it's gonna be bright, more than the northern lights, cause I kill it when I'm on the mic. Even when sight is blurry, I go harder than a flurry. My songs are colder than a Slurpee. Flows can taste like they got herpes. I'm just ill and they can't cure me. I'm too strong, they just can't hurt me. I'll fight back and show no mercy so everyone can see my fury. My fury.
All I wanna do is to make music and to leave my mark behind. Everyone told me you can't do it, I had to leave them all behind. I was so foolish, I dealt with the naysayers, puppets, I was fooling myself. As long as I stay true to myself, I don't need your help, no, I can do it myself.
I didn't plan the verse, also I didn't plan a hearse, but I'ma kill it, can you feel it? It's because I'm on that real shit, it's my life, no you can't steal it. They're my rhymes and they're the illest, cause I'm that ish that you can't deal. Now grab your crotch, we gonna thrill it. Okay, all they say, everything's gonna be okay. We got your back and we can stay, but then they all fade away into the blackness that's yesterday. So I do myself, gone all the way to the very top of the so-called game above and beyond. So far past fame that in the end's gonna be one name. Greaseball bitch at the end of the day. Look back on my life, recollect the pain in the sheets of life on the bitch of a thing where it be remembered like a name got Dre. Once again, got so down, riots burning down the town. Just because I fucking frown, wanna give the order, we never back down. My army is the best around, I love my fans with Greaseball now.
All I wanna do is to make music and to leave my mark behind. Everyone told me you can't do it, I had to leave them all behind. I was so foolish, I